Welcome back to AgriVision Hub. Today, we're turning simple banana peels into powerful organic fertilizer for your garden. Bananas are more than just a healthy snack. They're full of nutrients that plants absolutely love. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make banana fertilizer, how to apply it, and why it can transform your soil and plant growth naturally, cheaply, and effectively. So, grab your peels, a jar, and let's get started. Part 1. Why banana fertilizer works. Banana peels are one of the best sources of potassium and phosphorus, two essential nutrients that help plants grow strong roots, produce vibrant flowers, and bear more fruits. Let's break down what's inside. Potassium improves plant resistance to diseases, strengthens stems, and boosts fruit production. Phosphorus encourages healthy root development and helps with flowering and seed formation. Calcium and magnesium aid in overall plant health and nutrient absorption. Small amounts of nitrogen support green leafy growth. Unlike chemical fertilizers, banana fertilizer releases nutrients slowly and gently, making it safe for seedlings and sensitive plants. Plus, it's 100% organic and zero waste. Part 2. How to make banana peel fertilizer. Let's make the fertilizer. There are 3 simple methods you can choose from depending on your garden's needs. Method 1. Banana peel water, liquid fertilizer. Collect 3 to 5 banana peels. Chop them into small pieces, place them in a jar or bucket, and fill with about 1 liter of clean water. Cover lightly and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. During this time, nutrients from the peels dissolve into the water. After that, strain the liquid. This is your banana peel tea. Dilute 1 cup of banana fertilizer tea in 4 cups of water and pour it around the base of your plants once every 2 weeks. Method 2. Dried banana peel powder. If you prefer a dry fertilizer, collect banana peels and dry them under the sun or in an oven at low heat until crisp. Grind the dried peels into a fine powder using a blender. Store it in an airtight jar. Sprinkle a spoonful of the powder near plant roots or mix it into your compost or potting soil. This provides a slow and steady release of nutrients for weeks. Method 3. Banana compost mix. For a larger garden, add banana peels directly into your compost pile. Mix them with dry leaves, kitchen scraps, and soil. After a few weeks, you'll have rich, dark compost filled with organic matter and natural minerals. This method helps improve soil texture and increases beneficial microorganisms. The secret to healthy soil life. Part 3. How and when to apply timing is key. Use banana fertilizer during the flowering and fruiting stage for plants like tomatoes, peppers, or strawberries. On flowering plants like roses or hibiscus to boost bloom size and color, or for indoor plants to keep their leaves glossy and green. When watering with banana peel tea, always pour it around the base of the plant, not directly on the leaves. For powder or compost, mix it gently into the top layer of soil. Apply every 2 to 3 weeks for best results. Part 4. Benefits of banana fertilizer. Here's why gardeners around the world swear by banana fertilizer. Promotes strong roots, thanks to high phosphorus content. Enhances flowering and fruiting. Potassium gives vibrant color and larger yields. Improves soil health. Adds organic matter and beneficial microbes. Eco-friendly and zero waste. Nothing goes to the landfill. Safe for all plants. No risk of burning roots like chemical fertilizers. Budget-friendly. Made from kitchen waste, saving you money. You're not just feeding your plants, you're helping the planet too. Part 5. Final tips and conclusion. And that's it. You've just learned how to make banana fertilizer at home. Simple, natural, and effective. Before you go, remember these quick tips. Always store liquid fertilizer in a cool place and use it within a week. Avoid using banana fertilizer on plants that prefer acidic soil unless mixed with compost. Combine it with other organic waste, like eggshells or coffee grounds, for even better results. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to AgriVision Hub, and turn on notifications for more eco-friendly farming and gardening guides. Thanks for watching, and happy growing.